Hello, this is a 4-zone fire alarm control panel, and this is your bell, this is a fire alarm bell, and this is your smoke detector. This is your smoke detector, and I'm going to demonstrate how this works. This is basically used to protect your house from fire outbreak. In case there's a fire outbreak, this bell is going to ring once this device senses the smoke from your either appliance or anything burning, and it's going to alarm the system or alert the system, and this bell is going to ring for everyone to be on alert. I've already done the wiring, but I'm going to explain. Let me power it first. I'm going to explain to us how this